Okay, our next experiment is all about decomposition reactions. We are going to make elephant toothpaste, and the first thing we do is we pour hydrogen peroxide into an empty bottle, which I have already done. There it is, just a little bit there. The next thing we do is we're going to put in a nice little squirt of soap in there. Get a little swirl. Mix that up in there. And this is an optional step, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna put in just a couple of drops of food coloring. One more drop there. Beautiful. I chose blue because blue is my favorite color. Okay, our next step is we need to put in some yeast. Now the yeast in this reaction, in our experiment, serves as a catalyst because hydrogen peroxide will decompose on its own, but very slowly. So we use the yeast as a catalyst to speed up the process. So we're just gonna put a little spoonful in here, and we're gonna add a couple spoonfuls, 3 spoonfuls of water. I'll do it the sink. 1, 2, 3. And we will stir that up. Now, what will happen is that hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and oxygen. Normally, oxygen would just kind of bubble up, but because we have added soap into the process, the surface tension will keep the bubbles trapped and create a lovely foam. I need to add a bit more water because this yeast is still clumping up. Alrighty. Now make sure when you do this experiment that you're wearing your eye goggles. And stand back. Add some more hydrogen peroxide. And it slowly approaches. Ooh, there we go. You might want to use a smaller bottle in your experiment. But there we go. We have made elephant toothpaste.